Hey, welcome everybody to the Faithful Studios. Happy Sunday. It's Sunday. We got something cool happening today. My name is Tyson, faithfully bearded. We're in the Faithful Studios here for y'all to come in with open arms and a hug and come check out what we have going on today. So today we're going to talk about a up-and-coming company that's kind of starting their own products, kind of an authorized retailer at the same time. You've probably seen them around Instagram if you're over there. If not, let me expose them to you, and I will give you their website in the description down below. So what I'm talking about, Triple B, Barn Brand Beards. So I got some product from them. I've used it a couple times. Maddie's used it a couple times. So I'm going to fill you in on a little bit about Triple B, Barn Brand Beards, and tell you what I think about them. So stay tuned right after the intro. While we're doing the intro, hit that like button, the thumbs up button, the subscribe button, the bell. You get all your devices going off when I post a video. And grab your coffee, grab the bang, one of these ways. I got the black cherry vanilla going. And stay tuned because we're going to talk about them right after this. Alright, so thank you for that. And today we're talking about Barn Brand Beards. Tex is the guy's name. And a little bit about them, they're just kind of up and coming, getting their website going. But they kind of are like, I guess just to give you a little overview, like an authorized retailer, right? So not only do they have their own products that they're getting into a lineup of, but they sell other companies as well. So they have like Artius Man, Barden, Ruddy Man, just to name a few. Premium Beards. There's a couple more on there. But they have their products in-house that they can sell. So it's kind of like a one-stop shop. You can try out different companies at one website. But not only that, they have their own products. And they sent me some out. I got a wash here. So here I have a wash. And it's cantaloupe lime scent flavor. Scent. I mean, there's no flavors. I keep talking about flavors, but scent profile. And it smells so good. I get a little bit of lime, and I get the sweetness of cantaloupe. This scent is actually one of my favorites that I've experienced ever in the bearded community. It's fresh, it's clean, a little bit of fruit, a little bit of sour from the lime. And the wash was real good. I've only used it once. I don't wash a whole ton in my beard, more co-wash. But you get a nice clean feel with it. Gets down to the skin, suds up pretty good. Felt good up in there in the shower. Made the shower smell wonderful because it's a nice tropical scent. And so I really like that. Then they sent me out a couple tester oils here. Now they do have a little bit different labeling now. These are just kind of some tester stuff that they had going on, but they have one this one's busted coconuts and leather. And when I smell it, I get a nice leather scent, but then I get a real sweet follow through. So like the second note would be like the following of sweet, and I don't necessarily know that it's like that I would smell it and be like, oh, this is coconut. But I do get the hint of coconut. It's more just a nice, sweet, even keel scent. So you got the leather scent that hits you first, and then you got you have the sweetness that follows it and kind of mellows that leather scent out. So I would say this leather is probably more like, I'd say it's more like a leather jacket, that type of leather scent. But then you have the sweetness to bring it down, to tone it down a little bit. But my favorite, I got 2 oils from them, 2 bars of soap, and a butter and a wash. Okay, but this scent right here, I mean, I could get it here, but it's just not the same thing that you're necessarily going to get. This is a tester, right? So testers don't film well. I've said that before. But I have it right here, and it's sweet tea and lemonade. Now this is awesome. So the first thing you get is lemonade, but then you get the sweet tea follow up with it. And it changes a little bit from the bottle to in your hand and in your beard. In the beard, I get more of the sweet tea, and it's a real nice sweet tea. It's like you go into a restaurant, you order a sweet tea, and you just get that nice smell, that nice tea scent. But then you have the lemonade in there as well, which isn't as powerful as the sweet tea scent. I definitely get sweet tea first, or I get sweet tea stronger in the beard than I get on the lemonade. The butter I haven't had an opportunity to use a whole ton. He sent me a little tin. It emulsified well in my hands. It felt decent in the beard. The scent wasn't necessarily my type of scent for the particular butter I had, but that's okay. What we're talking about really is the properties of the butter, and it was extremely moisturizing. It made my beard, like I put it in before bed one night. When I got up in the morning, I could still feel the moisturized hair. I still felt moisturized. Let's just say that, all right? And I was able to brush it through real nice. It kind of kept my beard looking pretty decent throughout the night. I didn't wake up with it all smashed over or anything like that would normally happen. So, and then we have this soap. So they came in a little package like this. I'm not 100% sure if this is how they all come or if this is just how he kind of sends out the samples. When I got these, it was like launch day of the website, and his products, these were like first there. So I think he's changed his packaging a little bit, but I got 2 different soaps, and one was Lavish Lavender and one was Citrus Poppy. And the Lavish Lavender, I used that one, and Maddie used the Citrus Poppy. And when you use the soap, they look cool. They got cool design, cool colors. I wish I could show you, but they're in the shower. And then they have the Citrus Poppy had the poppy seeds in it, and you could feel it when you were using it. And then you had the Lavish Lavender, which had like scrubbers in it. What do you call those things? Exfoliating beads or exfoliators in there, and you could feel it on your skin, and it made you feel really nice and clean when you used it. I didn't use it in my beard or my hair. I just used it on my skin. It has a nice scent to it. He uses essential oils. It's 100% organic. They smell good. They feel good, and I actually like them. And they'll probably be something I go back to. I still washed my beard with the beard wash, and then I followed up with a co-wash. So I didn't try out the soaps or anything like that in my hair or my beard. A lot of times I like to have an all-over bar that I can use to wash my beard, wash my hair, wash my skin. But I kind of wanted to leave this just to the skin to see how it reacted, and then I wanted to use the beard wash in my beard to wash it and see the properties of that. And so I have to say, these scents on the oils are awesome. The oils felt good. I didn't have any itchiness or anything like that. I don't know the exact carrier oil blend on this. It's a sweet almond oil. So we got sweet almond oil, coconut oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, shea nut oil, and castor oil. So to me, these feel good. I like almond oil. I like castor oil. We all know argan oil is good, and jojoba oil. Then you have vitamin E and coconut oil as well. So you got a good carrier blend for oils in here, and the scents are on point. I love the scents. So Barn Brand Beards, Triple B. You have basically an authorized retailer that sells for other companies as well, so you can do like your one-stop shop. You got a good presence on Instagram, We had good packaging. We had fast shipping. We got amazing scents. Amazing scents. You got a lot that Tex and Barn Brand Beards does for charity, so you got a good backing behind there, and a cool story. You know, hit him up on Instagram, ask him his story. He's got a really cool backstory, and the website's coming along. It's ever evolving. More scents are coming out. You got like Arnie Palmer scents. You got Autumn Espresso scents, Cantaloupe and Smoke, Natural House. I mean, there's so many different cool scents, and he's coming up with creative stuff. So I really appreciate that and like that. I like the creative scent, something different. And then I like the way it feels. So I didn't get an opportunity to try his balm, but hopefully that'll be in the works, and I can let you guys know what I think of the balm. But right now, the wash is a winner. Love the scent, love the cleaning properties. The oil is a winner. I love the carrier oil blend, and I love the scents that I got from him. And then the bars of soap felt clean. They looked nice. Maddie liked them. So those are a winner in my book as well. Price ain't bad, and then you have the opportunity on the website to buy other companies too. So if you ever wanted to try out Ruddy Man, Barden, or Artius Man, Premium Beard, something like that, you can grab something from them all in one stop. So that's really cool. So I think you guys should check him out. I'll link it below. I'll put his Instagram below. I don't have a discount code or anything for you like that. This is just me wanting to expose this new kind of style thing. There's a couple out there that are like authorized retailers, one-stop shops. And I wanted to expose that, but they're making their own products in the scents. The scents just compelled me to want to get on and make a video for you guys and send you in that direction, because these scents, to me, are mind-blowing. Like, I love these scents. They smell good in my beard. Maddie likes them. They lasted for a while. And my beard feels good. You got a good carrier oil blend. So I want to make a video for the small companies, help them out, and direct you guys to try them out too, because it's these little gems that get uncovered that really make your day. So that's about it, guys. Check them out. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to answer any questions. I know Tex will too on Instagram. So check out their website. And while you do that, grab your coffee, grab your Bang Black Cherry Vanilla today. Put your hand on your man-mane and just make sure that it's feeling all good. And until I talk to you guys soon, God bless you all.